This is a sharing session of home gadgets. Every one of them is truly useful and can improve convenience in our daily lives. They also greatly enhance happiness. So let's take a look together. First, I want to share a treasure storage gadget I recently found. It turns the wasted space behind the door from this to this. It is made of solid wood, which is better in load-bearing capacity and texture than the plastic ones online. Installation is also simple and fast. It is completely invisible when the door is open, and provides amazing storage when the door is closed, directly squeezing out the vertical storage space behind the door. Installed in a child's room, it can store school bags, picture books, sundries, and children's items. Say goodbye to rummaging, and take things whenever you need them. Installed in your own room, it can hold perfume, skincare products, bags, scarves, and so on. Installed in the guest bedroom, it can even provide an entire extra cabinet for stocking daily necessities, which is truly superb. Everyone knows the many benefits of foot soaking. However, the whole process of filling, pouring, and washing the foot basin every time is cumbersome and tiring. Later, I found this waterless foot soaking gadget. It is a Herbal Heat Moxibustion long boot, which is super long and covers both feet and knees completely. The side zipper design makes it very convenient to put on and take off. Its inner liner is brewed with 8 kinds of herbs, and the outer cover can be removed and washed. You can change the inner liner so family members can use it too. It has multiple temperature and timer settings that can be adjusted. You can easily enjoy a painless half-hour heat compress every day. It is super comfortable and truly a highly recommended product. I also want to strongly recommend my kitchen's great contributor, the electric steamer. I've been using it for over a year, and it's a great helper for daily meals and hosting friends and family during holidays. The accessories are all stainless steel, so I feel very safe using them.
传统的空气炸锅用久了真的很容易涂层脱落，可以入我家这种没有涂层、没有特氟龙的加厚纯玻璃空气炸锅，安心好打理，整个制作过程也清晰可见，而且容量特别感人。标准状态下是7升，抬升后扩容是10升，整只鸡大披萨。
Usually, steaming fish or seafood takes less than 10 minutes. It comes out delicious and very tender. With a large double-layer capacity, you can steam both top and bottom together, and a rich meal can be cooked in one pot in less than half an hour. You can also put it in the refrigerator to keep food fresh by covering it with the lid. For breakfast, you can set a timer the night before, and it will automatically keep warm after it's done the next morning. You can enjoy a nutritious, hot breakfast as soon as you wake up. I also love the matching ceramic steam pot, which allows me to make different kinds of steam pot soups. No water needs to be added, the steam condenses and drips into soup, making it low oil and delicious. Traditional air fryers really tend to have their coating peel off after long-term use. You can get one like mine, which has no coating and no Teflon. It is a thickened pure glass air fryer, which is safe and easy to clean. The entire cooking process is also clearly visible. Moreover, the capacity is particularly impressive. It is 7 liters in its standard state and expands to 10 liters when lifted. A whole chicken or a large pizza is no problem. It uses far-infrared tender roasting technology, which heats faster and more evenly than ordinary air fryers. The food roasted is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, with a great taste. It is clean after a quick rinse after use.
那一定要看一下这个睡眠按摩枕，不用插电，一键就能享受按摩加热敷。4组按摩头搭配动态摇摆夹揉机芯，和普通按摩枕感觉完全不同。它会先把紧绷的肌肉揉捏开，再摇摆放松整个肩颈，整个按摩手法就很像真人在用虎口给你抓揉，从斜方肌到颈椎都能覆盖，还有4种模式可以自由选择。每次按完都觉得酸胀僵硬的感觉。
It can also be thrown into the dishwasher, and I use it very frequently. Young people's kitchens must have a set of categorized cutting boards. It is so convenient. Meat and fruits can be easily categorized and cut. Each cutting board has a classification label. It comes with a very thick piece of solid ebony wood, which has no joints and is very resistant to chopping. Another one is a double-sided stainless steel cutting board. One side can be used for cutting raw meat. The other side can be used for cutting vegetables, keeping it clean without flavor transfer. There is also a small fruit cutting board, which is easy to cut and wash. It also comes with a ventilated base, making it beautiful and practical to stack and store on the countertop. This multifunctional heavy-duty kitchen scissor. It is now a gadget my kitchen cannot do without. It is really easy to use, convenient, and can be opened and closed with one hand. Its surface is